Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add the flash blur effect to your videos in the CapCut PC. So here, just add your videos into CapCut PC. So this is my videos right
I
here.
looked and looked and looked.
And I'm going to add the flash blur effect at the beginning of the clip. So put the white line at the start and go to effects. Here you can find it on the trending, this flash blur, or if you cannot find it, you can just go to the opening and closing category, then add the effect. So I'm going to download it first, click on the plus icon, and it will be added just like this. You can adjust the line, and here you can also adjust strength, glow, or speed.
I looked and
So
looked and looked. I
this
must
is
have
the
looked
result
at
for the
50
flash
houses.
blur effect. And that's it. So
I looked and
guys,
looked and
thank you
looked. I
so
must
much
have
for
looked at
watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.